If you've ever stored important notes in Microsoft OneNote and then wondered how to quickly access them right from your OneDrive mobile app, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to open a OneNote notebook that's saved in your OneDrive using just your phone. By the end, you'll be able to jump straight into your notes, no matter where you are, with just a few taps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to grab your mobile device and open up the OneDrive app. If it's not already installed, you can quickly download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's open, make sure you're signed in with the Microsoft account that holds your notebooks. This ensures you're looking at the right files. Sometimes we have more than one account, so just double-check if things don't look quite right. Inside the OneDrive app, your files are organized into folders. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet. Most of the time, notebooks are stored in a folder called Documents or sometimes Notebooks. Take a moment to look through your folders. Don't worry if you're not sure exactly where your notebook is. It's perfectly normal to have lots of folders if you use OneDrive for different things. The search bar at the top can really help here. Just type in the name of the notebook if you remember it. Once you found the notebook you want, it'll appear with the familiar OneNote logo and the name you gave it. All you need to do is give it a tap, just once, like selecting any file. This step is super easy, but here's why it's important. By tapping the notebook from within OneDrive, you're telling your device, open this file using OneNote. It's almost like knocking on OneNote's door and handing over the exact notebook you want to work with. Now here's the cool part. As soon as you tap the notebook, the OneDrive app works its magic behind the scenes. It automatically launches the OneNote app that's installed on your phone or tablet and opens that exact notebook for you. No need to manually switch between apps or hunt through OneNote for the right notebook. OneDrive does it for you instantly. Think of it like using a remote start for your car. You press a button and everything's ready to go when you need it. But a quick heads up before you try this, make sure the OneNote mobile app is indeed installed on your device. If it's not there, your phone won't know what to do with the notebook file and nothing will open. Just search for OneNote in your App Store, download it, and sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for OneDrive. That way, everything will sync up smoothly and your notebook will pop up exactly as you left it, complete with all your notes, images, and highlights. And that's all there is to it. Opening a OneNote notebook from the OneDrive app is quick and seamless, as long as those two apps are working together under the same Microsoft account. This makes it super convenient, whether you're reviewing meeting notes, checking off a shopping list, or jotting down a new idea on the go. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a like, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or ran into any hiccups. I'm here to help. And of course, if you want more practical tips and easy tutorials just like this, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.